Now we have two tourists. Where are you from?
South Africa.
South Africa. This is your first time in Sharm el-Sheikh?
Yes. Yeah.
First time. What's your opinion about Sharm el-Sheikh?
It's beautiful.
Stunning. Best beaches, best food, and the
Great,
best people
great
around.
resort.
Yes,
as well.
yes. You visit another places here in Sharm?
We went to Old Town, the market.
Yeah.
Very lovely.
Yeah.
Good excursion to Ras Mohammed, the
Yeah.
White Beach.
Good. You make
lovely.
safari?
We did
See-
safari.
Safari.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That was also really
sea
lovely.
tour, sea tour?
No, we didn't.
No, you didn't try it. Maybe next time you can try
Yeah,
it.
next
time,
time,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Now you finish and you go back to home.
We
Yes.
go back home.
Yeah,
yes.
nice to see you again. And we expected you come many times to Sharm el-Sheikh.
We will
Thank you
do.
so
Sir.
much. We definitely will.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
الصيف ده نأجز هنا عندي وتعيش معانا جو مصري، نلحق الموسم من بدري ونلف لفة جديدة حصري، جونا حاجات تجنن، حالة جديدة حلوة جدا، كوباية الشاي هنا حاجة تانية، ده الليل هنا لوحده دنيا، للفجر نسهر للفجر، ده مفيش ولا يوم بيخلص في مصر، كل حاجة فيها أصلي، حتى الجو